naked camera, holding with my hand. Sound quality, okay. Let me put it on the stick, on a selfie stick. Now the camera is on the selfie stick, like you can see and like you can hear. How good can you hear me? Naked camera, built-in microphones. Now let's install a mode. Now the camera is in my hand with the media mode. How can you hear me now? Is this audio quality better? Or it's just the same, or goes from stereo to mono? But I think it goes to mono. Okay, let me use the selfie stick, which is like this. Oops, I unscrewed the camera. Okay, let's just... Okay, it's a bit shaky. But how can you hear me now? Is this a better audio quality? Well, video quality is amazing, 60 frames per second. But what about audio quality? Let me know in the comments on this video how good it is. I've installed professional Rode mic. Yes, let's try it out now. And how can you hear me now, holding the camera with my hand? Now it's super loud, insanely loud. Now let me just review the selfie stick. Okay. Oh wow, it's so heavy on the selfie stick. Selfie stick just bent a little bit. Yeah, it's too heavy for the selfie stick. This is very cheap selfie stick, so it is insanely heavy. I have to be careful because this mic is very expensive. Okay, but how can you hear me? How's the sound quality? Let me whisper a little bit. Whispering to the GoPro 9. And let me talk loud. Now I am talking very, maybe not very loud, but loud. And now I'm talking normal, with the normal talking voice. Yes. Insane quality. The road is very nice. Mall. Oh, I'm in the mall. How's the sound quality now? I removed the foam. There's a lot of background noise. Yeah, I'm curious. I'm not shouting to the microphone, I'm just speaking normal, or even I'm speaking quietly. And I don't try to speak normally. This is not a normal talk for me. So there you have it. That's just a vlogging part of the test for the GoPro mode without this foaming cover. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I think the media mode mic is mono and the built-in mic is stereo. But anyway, this will not replace your professional mic, but it will give you opportunity to connect professional mic, and then you'll be golden. Right there. Still, I think this is one of the best action camera in the world, especially battery life, insane. Thanks for watching and goodbye.